Alright, so today, Nolan, we're going to be opening these.
Yep.
Umbreon GX Premium Collection Box. You see what it comes with?
I think
Got the jumbo, oversized Umbreon GX. We have the smaller one, the Espeon GX,
this
small promo, and an Eevee.
And this
hollow.
one's upside down.
Yep.
And none of these ones are upside down.
Yeah.
That's weird. I didn't even realize this.
It's got the Umbreon pin and the Umbreon coin.
And 6 packs.
6 packs.
And 1 big jumbo card.
Yep, it looks like we have a couple of Guardians Rising, there's Evolutions, Base, Sun and Moon. There's 2 back there that I can't quite tell what they are. But there's also the Espeon. It does come with another Umbreon GX, the small hollow promo card,
And
another Eevee, but then it also comes with the Espeon.
And 6 packs and
6
1
more
jumbo.
packs. Coin pin on this one as well. Got these on sale, $15 each. Costco, so another good deal. You guys should definitely keep an eye out there. And also shout out to our people over at Pokemon TCG Deals. If you guys are watching over there, there's all kinds of posts when deals pop up, and you can jump on them before they are sold out most of the time. So shout out to those guys.
Yep.
Thanks for posting this one, and let's get to opening.
Woohoo! Body in me.
Very nice. You said you wanted to pick Umbreon, and I'll do Espeon, and we'll see who gets the best packs.
Yep.
All right. There's Umbreon for you.
Thanks.
Put the coin for mine up there.
Gotta put this right there. Hey, the Espeons are different.
Oh, they are. I didn't even realize.
And those are different.
So there's. Came with Breakthrough and Steam Siege XY packs.
Can I get
2 Guardians Rising. And came with XY Evolutions and Base Sun and Moon each. There's that. So there's the 2 oversized ones. So there's the 2 Umbreons. Here's the 2 Espeons. They are different. No one pointed out. There's the coin. There's pin, coin, and then the Eevees are the exact same. All right. Let's see. What do you want to? What should we open first? Let's go with
the oldest pack?
Let's go with Evolutions. I'll open Evolutions first. So you guys can have that one. 2,
Yeah.
3. So, Energy Retrieval, Blastoise Spirit Link,
Ooh.
Switch, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onyx.
Break!
Whoa.
I think I see a break,
I think
guys.
I see a break.
Whoa!
Magikarp, Ninetales break.
Oh wow!
Nice.
On the first one. Whoa!
Nice. And a Starmie. And let's go with Steam Siege. We've opened a bunch of these.
I see.
This pack's open right up. 2,
What
3.
can you call them?
So we got Rapidash. Ooh, Nuzleaf. Braviary. That's a decent card.
Meow.
Meowth.
Oh.
Mantine. Mantine. Mareep. Yanma. Chimchar. Ooh.
Another one.
And Talonflame. Nice little reverse hollow Meowth. Cool. And next, go with Breakthrough XY pack.
Nice. Okay.
We got that 1, 2, 3.
I don't know if I can beat you with the break.
Frogadier. Staravia. Professor's Letter. Chespin. Ooh, back-to-back Chespins. Zora. Froakie. Snover. Fisherman Reverse Hollow. Very nice. And Obama Snow.
Obama Snow.
So nothing too crazy on those packs. About what I'd expect. And alright, let's go with Sun and Moon base pack.
You don't have much packs left.
Nope. So, Psychic Energy.
I think I can beat you.
Araquanid. Crocoroke.
Rope.
Crocorock. Energy Retrieval. Alolan Rattata. Rock'n'Rolla. Marini. Crabrawla. Growlithe. Ooh, Alolan Dugtrio. Reverse Hollow and Decidueye. Is that our first Decidueye?
I think so.
I think so. It's not holographic, but up first for us. I like it. It's a nice looking card. And on to the next.
Are you saving your best Pokemon art for last?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Oh, yeah, I didn't even realize that is my favorite. Alright, got the Alolan Ninetales pack. Let's see what we get. You guys can have one of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy, Marini, Aqua Patch, Enhanced Hammer, Cottony, Alolan Sandshrew, Stuffle, Tentacool, Helioptile, ooh, Reverse Oricorio, Lightning, and oh, another Rayquaza!
You put those both times.
Non-hollow Rayquaza. Nice, I'm happy about that one. I will take it.
Lucky.
Take it. Let's see.
One more pack.
Yep, hopefully you have better. Good thing there are these promos in the pack. That's really, I like the eeveelutions, and we actually don't have many Eevees, so these are nice. They are, it looks like Sun and Moon base.
We finally have some
Looks like,
Eevees.
actually too, it looks like one of these is from the actual set, from Sun and Moon base,
and one's a promo.
And one's a promo. This feels like really thick and it's really shiny and like glossy feeling.
It's like heavy stuff.
Yeah, it's kind of heavy. It feels like almost fake, but
and it's like and it's tough.
It's thicker. Like even this one too. Compare these two.
And this one is like softer.
Yeah, they're different weights. That's interesting.
That's strange.
Interesting.
To go down here.
All right, last pack. Can I get the last pack magic?
No, you can't.
Get my Lycanroc Midnight form. Give me some good luck.
No, it's not.
I think so.
Oh wow.
1, 2, 4. Maybe I'll get a Prism Star. Maybe.
Cool.
Steel or a Metal Energy. Field Blower. Got the Rita.
Ooh.
Energy Recycler. Ooh, another Snorunt. We've only had. This is like our second
What's
one.
on the back? It's like in a fridge.
Yeah, he's in like a refrigerator in this one.
And he's like cold.
Pancham, Litwick, Patrat, a Alolan Geodude, a Reverse Hollow Trainer, Aether Paradise Conservation Area. Seems like we have this one as well. And, oh, a Garbodor, or Garbodor, Stinky Trash Man. He is a Trash Heap Pokemon. That's our first one of those as well. I'll take that one too. Very nice.
I'm gonna get better luck.
Not super amazing. We haven't had any ultra rares, but we've had some pretty cool ones.
Yeah.
Nolan will probably go and pull a bunch of cool cards.
Yeah.
Ooh, Coughing. Kakuna.
And Charmeleon.
Ooh, Charmeleon. That's pretty good for these packs. Tangela. Bonita. Doduo.
Starmie?
Ooh, Staryu. I got the
Staryu.
Starmie. Ooh, Misty's Determination.
Starmie?
Reverse Hollow. This seems like
Starmie?
the one we pull the most.
Starmie?
And another Starmie.
What about that? Huh?
That's what I pulled. So let's see which one are you opening now? Breakthrough. All right.
White code.
These packs were pretty. Oh no. All right, White Coat. We'll give that one away. Set it up here. You guys can have that one. Maybe down here. Maybe over here. How about over there? Pikachu's holding it. Pika Pika.
Or in his mouth. And he's eating it. Okay.
Alright. Dedenne. Super
Fishing pole?
Rod. Ursa Ring. Ghastly. Oh, it's cool, Ghastly. Woobat.
Is there any shine to it?
Swablu.
No.
Swablu. Snover. Rufflet. Bridget. And a Raichu?
Raichu.
That was the white code?
Yeah.
Wow, that's still a nice card, but white code for a non-holo. Raichu. That's a good card. Here. Have a Steam Siege code, guys. Yeah? Down here? Over there?
You can't
Gardevoir.
card.
Spirit Link.
Yep.
Riffleblum.
Card.
Krogan. Mareep. Litwick. Hoppip.
Meow.
Meow. A reverse greedy dice. And another Talonflame. We got non-holo rares for mine.
Yeah. Oh, that one flew.
Ooh.
It's Brain code, I guess. I think it is.
Have a code.
Oh, wait a minute. What pack was that?
It's on a moon.
Okay.
It's on a moon base.
That's 4?
4.
Boy, I said no juice.
Ooh, Alolan Raticate.
Okay.
Who's that? Dartrix. Great Ball.
Ending.
Drowsy on the beach. Rowlet. Torracat. Oh, Torkoal. Zubat. Grubbin. A reverse Alolan Rattata. And Palossand.
Palisand.
It's a big Palossand.
Palisand.
Palossand.
Fire another.
Multi-switch. Sliggoo. Ooh, Beware.
Beware. I always
Jangmo. Delibird.
That's
Trubbish. Oh, that's good. Machop.
Chop.
Rockruff. Another Trubbish. And an Oricorio. One more left. We'll see. Was it a green code or a white code?
Give
All
me
right.
Gunducks.
Got a Fighting Energy.
Fighting energy.
Is he gonna uncommon? Watchog. Multi-switch. They're uncommon. Kamala.
Mala.
Nose Pass. That's a nice card. I like that. Hold on a second. Look at that. Look at that awesome art. That's silly. Alright, Nose Pass. Delibird. Rockruff. Slandit. Murkrow. A reverse Field Blower and a holo Victini? What? White code! Holo Victini. Well, you did beat me now. Holo Victini. Victory Star is the ability. Once during your turn, after you flip any coins for an attack, you may ignore all results of those coin flips and begin flipping those coins again. You can't use more than one Victory Star ability each turn. Pretty nice looking card. I like it. Alright guys, let us know down in the comments if you like Umbreon or Espeon more. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And check out one of the other 2 videos on the screen if you haven't seen those yet. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!